Hello everyone, it's day 9. Officially today is Tuesday, actually almost Wednesday. I'm recording this late at night before going to bed because basically today we had no movement or no sort of setup following our rules. As you can see, price during my afternoon session, which goes from 3:30 p.m. till about 5:30 p.m. to execute a trade, did not give us a lot. In fact, it was hovering around the psychological level 1.16. Therefore, I was waiting for some sort of reaction once price tapped into this area. As you can see at the beginning, it was a cool idea to maybe get a little swing to the upside, a little counter trend, but it was too risky. And also scaling down to the 5 minute or the 50 minute, we can clearly see the price was in a very bearish structure and it did not give us any type of change of character or confirmation of the new short-term direction. And for that reason, I decided around 4:30 p.m. as I saw the volume dying down the psychological level to just call it a day and close the charts, not trying to force anything. All this sort of sideways movement after this big push. In fact, we took a short around here, then we closed it and it just dropped a lot, continued. But this sort of consolidation during this New York session today is most likely caused from the fact that tomorrow we have FOMC at 8 p.m. UTC. And that is a big factor because great institutions are going to wait for tomorrow before taking any type of risk into the charts. So that is expected. And it's very likely that tomorrow we won't see any type of setup too for the same exact reason. But right now, my ideas would be for a short, for price to actually get a candle to close below this low to give us a clear and strong break of this previous low. And then I would like to see a slow and steady recovery toward the psychological level, but then to give us the setup entry on the lower time frame. It's very likely that it won't happen, and even if it does, I would like to see this setup forming during my morning session when I can trade, because I think tomorrow during New York session I won't even look at the charts because there's just a very little bit of meaning looking the charts as it's going to be FOMC day and the markets are going to be 100% very slow. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow with the next update. Currently, as you may or may not remember, based off if you're following this series, we are currently up 1.5% on the funded account, and we are waiting on the 26th to get my first ever payout. And that is going to be a very important achievement for my career, since I've been doing this thing for a little bit more than 3 years with more than probably $2,000 spent in courses and other mentorships, and also 30 plus challenges failed. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow on the next update.